Here I have GIONNE A1 and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power key and select here power off. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and then you need to use the following combination of keys. The power key and volume up. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume up. And release both keys as soon as GIONNE logo pops up. As you can see, the Android system recovery pops up in front of you. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. Let's scroll down here to choose wipe cache partition, press power key to confirm it, and the device is wiping the cache files. As soon as Android system recovery pops up again, let's press power key to reboot system now. The phone is restarting and rebooting, so let's wait until the operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. That's it, the home screen pops up. Now you can unlock the screen and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.